The iQOO 11 5G has been officially teased and it is coming soon to India. This and more in today's episode. Hello everyone, I'm your host Aman Rashid and welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. Now before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The iQOO 11 5G has been officially teased by the company on its India website, which means that the phone is indeed coming very soon. Now it's only a matter of when. So we all know that the iQOO 11 has already been selling in China, and as far as the speculations are going, well, we can expect the Indian version to carry out the same specs as the Chinese variant of the iQOO 11. So for those who don't know, the iQOO 11 5G comes with a 6.7-inch 144Hz AMOLED display, a 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 5000 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charging. Now, as of right now, we have no information about the iQOO 11 Pro, whether that phone is launching or not. So no information about that phone. We'll of course get to know more in the coming days about the iQOO 11 Pro and on the whole of the iQOO 11 series. So definitely, if you don't want to miss out on all the details about the iQOO 11 series, then stay tuned to Fiber. Now, while the iQOO 11 5G is about to launch in India soon, the iQOO Neo 7 SE has just launched in China, and now you would ask, why does a China launch matter? Well, the Neo 7 SE could be rebranded and may make its debut in India as the Neo 7, because if history is any indication, the Neo 6 SE first launched in China and then the company rebranded it and sold it in India as the Neo 6. So we can expect the same case to happen with the iQOO Neo 7 SE. Now, in terms of specifications, the phone comes with your usual specifications that you get in most mid-range smartphones these days. So 120Hz AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery, 120 watt fast charging, and you're now getting a Dimensity processor in the iQOO Neo 7 SE. So the Neo 6 SE came with a Snapdragon processor, so this time around they have shifted to a Dimensity processor, and this is the only major difference that I can see between the Neo 6 SE and the Neo 7 SE. Apart from that, both are almost the same phones. Now, in terms of pricing, the Neo 7 SE starts at 2099 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 24,800 rupees. But again, whenever this phone comes to India officially, I expect the pricing to be slightly higher. For context, the Neo 6 launched in India at a price of 29,999 rupees. Now, when can we expect the Neo 7 SE to come to India? Well, I'm expecting for this phone to launch in India around mid-January, maybe late January or early February at max, because then again, then iQOO 11 is also about to come to India. So I don't think that iQOO would launch two phones around the same time. I think they will keep a gap in between. But of course, we'll get to know more about the iQOO Neo 7 SE India launch in the coming days. So again, stay tuned to Fiber. Sensitive personal data of 5 million citizens globally, including the data of 6 lakh Indian users, has been leaked and sold on the bot market. And it is also being reported that 12% of all the data, like all the data that has been leaked up until now, belongs to Indian users. Now, according to a recent study by NordVPN, it reveals that data of 6 lakh Indians, including logins, cookies, digital fingerprints, screenshots, and other information, were stolen and sold in the bot market. Additionally, hackers are also said to have sold the digital identity of one person in packets at an average price of $5.95, which comes to around 490 rupees. So, of course, this is quite a severe situation, and also this is not the first time that a data leak has affected Indian users. So again, at the same time, right now we can't do anything, but we can always take some precautions. So here are some tips that you can take to prevent your devices from malware, so that your data does not fall into a data leak or into the wrong hands. You can pause your screens and take a look. So we all know that the EU had set a deadline for Apple to include a Type-C port in the upcoming iPhones, and hearing all this news, people were already speculating that the 2023 model of the iPhone, or say the iPhone 15, will come with a Type-C port. But here is some bad news. Well, The EU did set a deadline for Apple, but that deadline itself was for 28th December 2024. And does this hint that the iPhone 16 or the 2024 iPhone model will come with the Type-C port and not the next year one? Well, no one can be sure of this, but granted we are talking about Apple, I don't think so the Type-C port is coming to the iPhone 15 next year. Like, after hearing this after hearing this news, I am sure that the Type-C port is just not coming to the 15. It might come in 2024, but it is not happening in 2023. And the Indian government is also pushing Apple to include a Type-C port on the upcoming iPhones. And our reason is that we want to reduce the e-waste that the country generates every year. And on top of everything, like, e-waste is okay, I understand the e-waste part, but it is just so convenient to have one charger that you can get with the help of the USB Type-C port. But again, we are talking about Apple, and as I just said, 2023 and the iPhone 15, well, you're not getting the USB Type-C port. Airtel offers a bunch of prepaid recharges, right? So right now I'm going to suggest you the best Airtel prepaid recharges that you can go for, because in my opinion there are some amazing offers and free subscriptions to score. Check this out. So you can check out the Airtel 699 plan, and the best part about this plan is that you are getting a free Amazon Prime membership benefits. Now of course you are also getting 3 GB daily data, up to 100 SMS per day, and the pack validity is 56 days, and of course you are also getting free calling with this. Now if you want more, of course you can go for the 999 rupees plan. You get 84 days validity here, 2.5 GB daily data, 100 SMS per day, unlimited calling of course. But again, you're also getting Amazon Prime subscription for all the days of validity, that is 84 days here. And rewards also include a Hello Tune subscription, Extremes app, Apollo 24/7 Circle membership. So this is something that you need to see with the Airtel 999 plan. Now of course, anyone who wants to check out a slightly affordable plan, well, you can also see the Airtel 499 rupees prepaid plan. With this you get 2 GB daily data, unlimited calling, 100 SMS per day, along with a 3-month free subscription to Disney Hotstar Mobile. Now for anyone who wants to max it out, well, you can go for the yearly 3359 rupees plan with Airtel. And this one gives you 1-year subscription to Prime Video Mobile Edition, a 1-year subscription to Disney Plus Hotstar Mobile, and of course you're also getting 2.5 GB daily data, 100 SMS per day, unlimited calling, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Whenever you recharge next, and also if you happen to be an Airtel customer, that is the main thing, definitely check these plans out, as you are getting some amazing offers, and the free subscription is the cherry on the cake. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's episode? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in a brand new episode next week on Monday. Till then, take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.